My sword is old and is rusty. My shield, it hangs on the wall. My helmet is dented and dusty. No more do I heed the battle call. Long years ago, I fought in the wars. No matter the king, no matter the cause. I bled many times for the promise of gold. I never thought I'd grow old. Now my sword is old and is rusty. My shield, it hangs on the wall. My helmet is dented and dusty. No more do I heed the battle call. Northmen came raiding for gold and for slaves, striking like lightning from over the waves. For a handful of silver I defended God's town. That day I won gold and renown. Now my sword is old and is rusty. My shield, it hangs on the wall. My helmet is dented and dusty. No more do I heed the battle call. I've fought in the front lines, led great companies, in battles at home and far over the seas. I dreamt of the fighting, I lived for the kill. Some nights now I dream of it still. Now my sword is old and is rusty. My shield, it hangs on the wall. My helmet is dented and dusty. No more do I heed the battle call. My hair is turned silver, my arms have grown frail, too weak now to live my old shirt of mail. The clamour of battle still rings in my ears. Old age was the one thing I'd feared. Now my sword is old and is rusty. My shield, it hangs on the wall. My helmet is dented and dusty. No more do I heed the battle call. The young men are leaving to fight a new war. Brave banners are flying and battle cries roar. I'll muster my strength and I'll ready my breath and march one last time into death. Now my sword is old and is bloody. My shield is battered and torn. The dents in my helmet are mighty. One last time I'll heed the battle call.